This authentic Italian gravy is simmered all day to yield a rich and delicious sauce. It's perfect for any Italian dish. Start by adding red wine to a small roasting pan, along with extra virgin olive oil, some beef short ribs, a large onion, minced garlic, and salt. And toss that to get everything well coated. Then you're going to roast this at 400 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once it's done roasting, transfer everything to a large stock pot. Add more red wine, and then you're going to simmer this for 30 minutes. Add canned peeled whole tomatoes, along with tomato paste and tomato sauce, beef broth, some dried basil, dried oregano, and fresh parsley. Stir this together and then simmer for 4 to 6 hours. Remove the short ribs, At this point, you can use an immersion blender to smooth out the sauce, or you can leave those chunks of whole tomatoes. It's up to you. Stir in Italian sausage, and then simmer this once again for an hour. Serve over your favorite pasta and enjoy. You can get this full printable recipe on saucefanatic.com.